How to put coolant in Jaguar E-Pace step by step. So what you'll need is basically a Jaguar approved coolant, usually 080 or something like this, or a pink or orange coolant. There are coolants that are already pre-diluted, which means it's already a 50 by 50 water and coolant, and that means you're no longer gonna need to add or mix water with the coolant, since again it's already mixed together. So make sure you read what coolant you have if you need to do this or not. Next, you could go ahead and potentially use gloves and cloth. It is optional, but it is a cleaner way to do this. And finally, a funnel, very recommended for the coolant not to pretty much spill everywhere. But again, pretty much depends on you. So first step is to just let the engine cool, turn the engine of the car off, and wait at least 30 minutes, since opening the coolant system while hot can cause serious burns due to pressure and making the liquid inside explode. So once you have done that, make sure you open up the hood, of course, and you're gonna have to locate the coolant reservoir, which is this over here. If you take a closer look, it's gonna look something like this. So once you have navigated yourself to coolant reservoir, you're gonna have to look for a translucent plastic tank or something like this. If it doesn't look translucent on the top, it could be at the side, so just go ahead and take a look at the hood inside. So it has a cap with a thermometer or warning symbol or something like this. If you take a bit of a closer look, so it has this kind of cap. So just go ahead and take a look for something like that. You'll see a minimum and max level markings on the side as well, which should look something like this over here. So a minimum, there's going to be an arrow on where that is, and then a maximum level. So once you have found your coolant reservoir, what you're gonna have to do now is just find the cap itself, of course, and open it up. So open the coolant cap, slowly twist the cap counterclockwise, which should be in this rotational movement. So counterclockwise to open the cap up. So you can open it up slowly as well to avoid explosions. Not really explosions, but to release pressure slowly. So once you've opened it up, just go ahead and use a funnel or just add the coolant directly into the hole of the coolant reservoir. Again, make sure it's only between the markings of your coolant level, which is between maximum and minimum. So don't overflow or don't lessen it, of course. Once it's done, just go ahead and cover the coolant reservoir back using the cap on by going with a clockwise rotation this time, and you would pretty much have successfully put in coolant on your Jaguar E-Pace. So make sure you close the cap and tighten it until it's fully sealed. You can also go ahead and wipe off any spilled coolant all around the reservoir as well. But that's pretty much how you put coolant on your Jaguar E-Pace. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.